Most people think building a brand costs thousands of dollars and years of work. They're wrong. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to build a brand from scratch, the same way the world's most recognized companies did it. A brand is not your logo. It's not your colors. A brand is the feeling people get when they hear your name. It's the promise you make and keep every single time. Every powerful brand starts with 3 questions. Who are you? Who do you serve? And why does it matter? Answer these honestly, and you have the foundation of everything. Colors, fonts, and imagery are not decoration. They are a language. Red communicates urgency and power. Black communicates luxury and authority. Choose colors that match the emotion you want your brand to trigger. The brands you trust most are not the most creative. They're the most consistent. Same voice, same look, same promise, across every platform, every product, every interaction. Consistency builds trust. Trust builds loyalty. Loyalty builds empires. Building a brand is not about having the biggest budget. It's about having the clearest vision. Start today. Define who you are. Stay consistent, and the world will have no choice but to pay attention. If this helped you, subscribe, because we're just getting started.